area. It's Staten Island, New York, Great Gills Harbor, Hurricane Irina. It's the eye of the storm is passing just over the head, so you can see it's calm and nice out here. It would be interesting to see how it will turn out in a few hours, but right now it's very nice. You see the road on the peninsula right here, it's submerged, but generally I don't see any destruction here. All of the boats I see around made all right from the storm. Bye.